Brand new here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2020 Hyundai Elantra Sedan. On the exterior, we have heated door mirrors, forward collision avoidance system, and rear cross traffic alert warning. Inside, you'll find comfortable cloth seating for 5 with heated front seats, automatic temperature control, and push-to-start technology. The 7-inch LCD display has Bluetooth to keep you connected. This 2020 Hyundai Elantra has less than 37,000 miles and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641 or visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.